Hi everyone, I'm bringing you yet another bite-sized tutorial. And don't be hating on my bite-sized tutorials. You guys know that I'm in Provincetown all summer, so I'm not going to be updating as much as I usually do. So I'm going to show you how I stack my lashes. Okay? I usually start with like a little small pair like this. Ignore the garbage that's with it. Take that out. Throw away the rubbish. Ignore these glues because they suck. I never use the ones they come with. Just take the lash off delicately. We're going to start, first things first, a little bit of our duo. Sure you already have lash grip. Going to put a little strippy strip on that. You don't need a whole lot. I get tacky a bit. Set that aside, and we'll start our other lash. Pull out our other guy. And it's smartest to work with like, you know, the lashes for each one. So that way you're not like getting confused. Put some glue on that. Let that get a little tacky. Alright, this one should be good to go. Take it, and I always angle mine up. And it's stacked up like that, a little bit further up. So that way if you're gonna pinch, you can't get 301s, this is a great way to cheat it. And the best part is like you don't see this top part when you're on drag. Your eye makeup is usually so intense, no one ever sees that part, so I never worry about it. Stack it up like that. Just press it down and let it dry in. And I always do it at this angle because if it's too much like there, it's too heavy on my inner corner of my eye and it hurts. Let that dry up. And we do the other side. You can see I do this for my lashes. These ones are prehistoric. As you can tell, I go through these things a lot. These things are like 3 months old. Because I'm a cheap queen. Alright, other side. Blue. Let that dry. And repeat the process. And just like that, you got some bigger, more dense lashes that are a lot more fabulous. You don't have to go and buy a bunch of 301s or try and hunt down a costume store if you're in a fix. And that's a bite-sized tutorial. You're welcome.